Friends, we discussed Chapter 1. Chapter 1 is titled Search for Happiness. It's divided in 5 subparts. 1.1 is You Are Special. The acronym for that would be SEED and ABCD. 1.2, Two Types of Happiness. The acronym for that will be Use and BPL. 1.3, Two Types of Problems. The acronym for that is RBI and CNN. 1.4, Temporary Happiness. The acronym for that will be SMS. 1.5, Permanent Happiness. The acronym for that is SAC. Friends, we start with 1.1, You Are Special. All the 7 billion plus people on our planet are in pursuit of happiness. How many of us are fully and genuinely blissful, and for how long? Our quest for a big house, ample money, good health, and a loving family are simply to enhance our joys and diminish our sufferings. The animals, birds, reptiles, and every species of life pursues this hunt for pleasure. 1.1.1, we discuss the 4 similarities of humans and animals, and the acronym is SEED. The journey of self-discovery course begins with students listing the activities of humans and animals. For example, human beings brush teeth, eat and drink, swim, exercise, bathe, and get ready for the day work in the office or at home. Cook and clean, watch TV and movies, listen to music, social networking, read books and magazines, go shopping, sleep, pray, etc. Animals and birds do some activities which are build homes, nest, hunt for food, eat and feed young ones, migrate, rest, mate, flight with other animals, birds. We can summarize the following activities in the acronym SEED. S for sleeping, E for eating, E stands for enjoyment, D stands for defense. In our everyday lives, we go to office, expand our business, or maintain a home so that we can eat, sleep, enjoy, defend or protect ourselves better. Animals also pursue the same 4 activities with far less sophistication. They eat from the ground, sleep on the streets, copulate in the open, and defend with their bare claws and fangs. Although we eat varieties of cuisines, sleep in cozy beds, romance our mates, have advanced missiles and bombs for defense, the basic drive remains the same. Let us now discuss the main difference between animals and humans. It may seem that only humans think logically, reason, inquire, compute, speak and solve problems. Animals can do the same because each species has some intelligence and special skills, although they are restricted to the SEED activities. Cats sneak into a kitchen undetected and quietly drink milk without being caught. Vultures spot corpses from miles away. Cheetahs race at 140 km per hour. Dogs smell smart. Fishes sense predators from water vibrations, and migrating birds can communicate the directions across continents. If we humans also use all our intelligence and advancement in science and technology only for the above SEED activities, we would simply be a glorified beast. The Mahabharata, however, throws light on our unique speciality. आहार निद्रा भय मैथुन च समनम इतर पशुभिर नरानम धर्मो हि तशम अधिको विशेषो धर्मेन हीन पशुभिर समानम. Eating, sleeping, mating and defense. These 4 activities are common to both humans and animals. However, only human beings can access eternal love and permanent happiness. Any person who fails to stimulate this unique feature is simply an animal. Now 1.1.2, the 4 unique gifts awarded to humans. The acronym is ABCD. A stands for ability for spiritual inquiry, B for bliss, C for choices and D for determination. Let us discuss each of these briefly. A is for ability for spiritual inquiry. Animals cannot think beyond the basic need of SEED. They do not create newer solutions to food, clothing and shelter problems. Human beings, however, can seek to remedy suffering and even find answers to the ultimate goal of life. We can pursue even profound spiritual, life-enriching and intriguing questions like whether there is a creator behind this universe, is there a God in control,